guys, how are you guys doing? How was your day? How is your family? Well, for me, my day went well, like perfectly well. Okay, yeah, I just returned from work and then I want to make something special for myself. Not something special to say, but to me it's special because it's one of those food I like. And like they used to say that, they would say eating heavy food at night is not good for your health. Oh, well, for me, that rules doesn't count here. Like, whatever I crave for, as long as I can afford it, as long as it's something I can do, guys, rules or no rules, I'm up and doing, like, I'm good to go. I make anything. So tonight, I'm going to be making heavy food. Hey, and in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Support your girl. Help this girl grow, okay? I'm still very new here, so your support will count like big time. So please, I need your support. Thank you for doing that already. So what I'm making tonight is semo with okra. Semolina with okra. Okay, so see already in the fridge. So I'm not making stew tonight. I'm only going to make okra and the semolina. Okay, so let's do that together. Okay guys, so now I'm done washing the okra and I have my blender here already. This technique is just perfect. If you haven't tried your okra, like blending your okra, try it and trust me, you will love it. So what I'm going to do next is to chop off the head and cut it into small pieces. Just like so. This is what the okra looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add some water, then drain it. Just add some water. Excuse my pot. And that will be all, and guys, see what it looks like. Very, very perfect. that button, and do not forget to click the notification button so you can get notified whenever I upload new content. Okay, so till I come your way again, my name is Miss Olufemi. Stay safe and stay blessed. It's Leti Alexia. I'm just going to have my bath and then jump to bed. Have a good night, okay, and bye.